is lonely and cold.
This is an exquisite 4-bedroom detached property with double garage and driveway situated in the ever-popular Bishop's Hole, within walking distance to the local play park, local amenities, primary school and nursery, as well as being within the catchment for a favourable secondary school. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in viewing this gorgeous property, please do get in touch.